These chocolate brownies contain a gooey chocolate fudge center. They are incredibly delicious and very easy to make. You will need plain flour, cocoa powder, brown sugar, unsalted butter, dark baking chocolate, dark chocolate chips, eggs, salt, vanilla extract, and chocolate fudge. To start, place 200 grams of unsalted butter and 200 grams of dark chocolate chips into a double boiler over medium heat. Continuously stir until smooth. Perfect. Remove from heat and transfer to a large mixing bowl. Measure out and add 1 cup of brown sugar. Mix thoroughly. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix. Crack in 3 eggs. Mix well until smooth. Add half a cup of flour. Mix. Add 1/4 cup of cocoa powder. Mix. Add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix. Take your 180-gram bar of dark cooking chocolate and roughly chop it into chunks. Add to the brownie mixture. Mix thoroughly. Spray a square tin with oil and line with parchment paper. Pour mixture into the pan. Ensure it's evenly spread around. Carefully place into your oven at 160 degrees Celsius, fan forced, for 28 minutes. Remove from oven. Carefully remove the brownie from the pan. Garnish with vanilla ice cream, chopped walnuts, and chocolate fudge. Serve and enjoy! Plain fudge and egg. 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 Mix. Place in oven. Bake on high heat. Remove from oven and serve. Garnish with chocolate fudge. Chopped walnuts. Serve and enjoy.